One brand that makes you feel proud of being Indian is Tata. Now, the reason why I say that, when you see a lot of other companies across the globe making their mark, and then there is one brand which is Indian, probably you may not be even associated to that brand directly or indirectly, but still, when you read that name, it makes you feel proud. Now, I'm sure Tata gives you that feeling, and I got the same feeling when I started seeing 8 Audio products in the hi fi space, because they could really create that impact according to the international standards, as well as it could be a very close competition to some of the likes of the American and the European audio brands that we all have been knowing so far. Now, one such product from this 8 Audio kitty is right next to me, which is the 8 Audio Pearl F27 speakers. And in my today's video, I'm going to share some of the reasons why you should love 8 Audio, and we'll also talk about these Pearl F27 speakers. So we are going to talk about 8 reasons why you should love 8 Audio, because I really started loving this brand since the last 2-3 years when I started seeing their first products in the What Hi-Fi show, and the sound quality is really unmatchable. Now, the first reason is obviously because it's a made in India product, wherein we can see the blend of Indian craftsmanship with some highest quality standards of the European drivers met together to give a fantastic sound. Now, all of this happens in their Hyderabad's manufacturing facility. So yes, going vocal for local is, I think, one of the first reasons why you should love 8 Audio. The second reason for 8 Audio being special is the customizable design. Now, the reason why I'll emphasize a lot on this customizable design is most of the times when you shop for floor standing speakers, bookshelf speakers, you will see them being in either black color, white color, or at times you would be lucky to get a wood color finish. Now, all of these 3 colors may not be something which your designers would approve of, and that's why they will ask you to shift to an in-wall or a hidden speaker altogether. Now, we all know that floor standers and bookshelf speakers are some of the best speakers in terms of the sound quality, and if you still need that to be approved, then what you need is a color palette choice which you can have matching according to your interiors, so that your designers will approve of these speakers. And that is exactly what 8 Audio can promise you to get, because with their customizable color palette, like tons of options, they can literally have these speakers painted to any finish that you want. Now, they did send me a catalog of these colors and I was totally confused. So I asked them that why don't you send me whichever you feel is the best for us. And then they did the research and thought that why not send the speakers which are matching to our Touchwood color logo. And that's why you can see these green Pearl F27s right here next to me. Now, the third reason is exceptional audio quality. Believe me, I just had my uncle who had Sonus Faber Lumina speakers, and I made him listen to the speakers at a 20 feet distance. Now, when we played some of the tracks, he was blown away by it, and he was asking me, are these more expensive than what I have paid for? And I was like, no, they are not. Now, that's the exceptional audio quality that 8 Audio promises to deliver, especially with this Danish drivers that you can see here. This is from a company called SB Acoustics, which is also an OEM to very, very prominent brands across the globe, especially in the speaker segment. These SB acoustic drivers from Denmark delivers crystal clear sound experience that rivals and matches with some of the finest European as well as American audio brands. Now, what we have got here is the Pearl F27 speakers, which has got a ring dome tweeter which is 1.5 inches, and there are 2 drivers of 7 inches which are mineral cone woofers. The fourth reason why I believe 8 Audio is a good brand for everyone, especially who are shopping for home theater speakers, is because of the vast product range that they carry. First of all, you will see the Onyx range, which starts from approx 1 lakh rupees for a full 5.0 setup, wherein you get 3 front speakers, 2 towers, 1 center, along with 2 on-wall speakers for surrounds. Now, this entire set is the entry-level package, which starts from 1 lakh of rupees, and then they have the A-Gate series, and then after that they have the Pearl series, followed by Platina. Now, that's the range of the products that 8 Audio has to offer for people looking for floor standing as well as bookshelf and on-wall speakers. Now, let's talk about the F27 speakers out here. Well, these are 2.5 way speakers with 88 decibel sensitivity and power output up to 200 watts continuous power. The impedance is 4 ohms, which shows that they are very, very serious about the power engine that you connect the speakers to. Now, you also get 3-way speakers, and it is actually at a very, very great offer price. So the model number is the 8 Audio A-Gate F206 speakers, which are 3-way, priced only around 1.10 lakh rupees. So if you're looking to save some money and yet have three-way options, well, 8 Audio has got you covered with that too. Now, as mentioned, these Pearl F27s are 4-ohm speakers, and that's why we connected them to our 2-channel integrated amp from Musical Fidelity along with a streamer from Blue Sound, the Note 2i model. Now, when we did our some music track testing, we were surprised, and so was my uncle, as I mentioned, right? So we played some Bollywood tracks, we played some classic genres, we played some jazz, we played some ghazals, and believe me, these speakers are really amazing. The bass impact, even without subwoofer, has everybody looking around that where is the bass actually coming from. So from these speakers, even the bass is very, very nice, and the frequency range that is from 48 Hz all the way up to 28 kHz covers most of your requirements of sound. Now, I know many of you would say that when you're looking for floor standing speakers and considering them for 2-channel stereo setup, the bass has to be impressive. The only problem lies is when you start looking at 5.1 or above configuration using the same speakers. Now, I know that's where the crossovers come into play, and that's why a subwoofer is very, very essential. Now, good part is the 8 Audio brand over here has got their own active range of subwoofers, which are 10 inches, 12 inches. They can even customize a 15 inches box for you, and all of these are front firing subwoofers. So again, if you're looking to complete your home theater setup with a good powerful punch, then 8 Audio has got you covered with their range of subwoofers too. Now, one of the reasons why I personally love 8 Audio is that being from India, we all know that warranty coverage is a big pain, right? And many of the times companies offer only 1 year support. But when it comes to their passive range of speakers, 8 Audio gives you 5 years support on your products, and if it's an active product like subwoofer, then you will have 1 year warranty coverage. But because these people are based out of Hyderabad, I think they are going to be very easily accessible, and you don't have to go through the hassle of reaching out to a support team over internet and then waiting for them to reply to your email. Now, the last reason why I think you should love 8 Audio is because of their custom installed range of speakers which are meant for dedicated cinema rooms. Now, I know many of you would want to have a demo of it, which you can achieve when you visit their Hyderabad Experience Center, or you can check with them for their other dealers across India. These custom installed speakers, which can be in-wall, on-wall, surround, height channel, now all of this can be used in your dedicated home theater rooms. And because of the high demand of power that these speakers have to cater to a bigger room size and to cater to the 4-ohm impedance, they have got their own range of power amplification as well. So starting from 3-channel, which is for LCR, all the way up to an 8-channel, they have got everything covered to make your home cinema room a fantastic room with 8 Audio as the primary brand. Now finally, coming back to the Pearl F27 speakers, which are still waiting for their review and verdict. Well, I am personally sold out on these speakers and the brand overall, because 8 Audio is really trying to do some amazing work here in India and try to beat up or at least match the international brands. And we were lucky enough to have these speakers tested with some other brands as well. And I'm actually going to share that clip with you towards the end of the video. So make sure to still wait, because if you're looking to design some amazing 2-channel stereo setups or home theater setups using 8 Audio, then please check the link that is shared in the pinned comment as well as in the description. Because I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, loves to design some amazing home theaters across India. And this time around, we would love to do that with 8 Audio speakers as well. So let's do that while you watch these speakers live in action.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on